listening to me very carefully. Now coming explanation for this extreme weather what we had USA and Japan. Lot of snow, snowstorm and cold. This polar vortex mash up and there's coming a lot of this cold. There is an explanation, very simple thing. We don't have a balance here. This solar system. All these gas planet is same side sun, and also that's why Earth was between Sun and these gas planets these 4 months. But that's not all. There was line with Moon also. Like August 12, we had Sun, Earth, Moon, and Saturn. So there was a lot of these dark energy particles which going through each others, and when this interactive with each other, this dark expanding particle expanding, and that's why they can meet again more, because they are bigger. They can meet through next one and next one and next one, and that's why like Neptune can work hard when we have this line. And we had this September 17th, this line Sun, Earth, Neptune, and this dark energy from Neptune moving long way and meet again and again this dark energy particle from Sun and Earth. And that's why we had this Hurricane Fiona and Super Typhoon Nandamol, which also getting very strong, very quickly, very strong super typhoon Nandamol. And so Fiona was also very strong, which going to Canada. And after that 9 days we had line Sun, Moon, Earth and Jupiter. And what we get? We get this Hurricane Ian and Super Typhoon Noru Same day. This getting strong. And of course there was heavy rains and floods all the time before after this line. And this was full moon like 10 September, just 7 days before this line, like Sun, Earth and Neptune. And there was a lot of very strong, not very strong, but strong earthquake. Strong earthquakes there was, yes. And then we had a line here. It was November 8th. There was line like a Sun, Earth, Moon, and Uranus. And yes, there was rare November hurricane Nicole. Just like 1935, there was rare November hurricane Yankee. And then was line like a Sun, Moon, Earth, and Uranus. And that's why Earth activating a lot with that dark energy when we have this line, and we can check out there's a lot of these things you can find out if you just check out when there was this kind of lines with Moon and gas planets. Of course you can using line of course with Mars, because then Earth is between Sun and Mars, and if you have Moon also this line, then it's very strong activating. Then December 8th we had Sun, Earth, Moon, and Mars. It was here. This last one. That was November line alignments. There was September 26th, September 17th, and August 12th. And this last one was very straight line. We could not see Mars like 44 minutes because Moon coming, and we can see Mars was behind Moon, and this dark energy from Mars moving to here and meet energy from Sun, Earth, and Moon. And after that it's moving through Moon, and just after that coming here, and there was a lot of these dark matter particles which mass Earth nucleus of atoms, because when we have this line, this particle expanding more, and that's why they don't going through Earth so much. Earth getting more energy which are coming later out, and that's why we have these very strong weather phenomena, snowstorms, heavy rains, floods, Also volcanoes wake up. And yes, and this just remember this December line. We had this Mandaus cyclone. It was very strong for India. Usually they don't have that strong cyclone, but there was Mandaus cyclone, like December, very rare cyclone. Yes, and of course these volcanoes, Mauna Loa and many other volcanoes wake up that way. And this November 8th, after that 1 week we had 14 strong earthquakes. And what I can tell you, there was a lot of these phenomena, extreme weather and these kind of things. But explanation, it is alignments, lines with this. When Earth is between sun and moon, we don't need so much to sleep because we get more energy for cells, you know. There is that dark energy which meet each other through and moving through each other and interacting, and this particle getting bigger. And that's the way it's going. You just Google Savorinen and go read how universe really works. Einstein was wrong, Savorinen right.